Today we're going to answer the question, is Cash App savings safe? So Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, a card where you can spend your balance with discounts, and peer-to-peer payments. Recently in a previous video, I talked about the Cash App savings feature. This allows for you to easily save money with an app. It's a pretty simple and solid feature, but for some people the question is, how much money can I keep in here and is it safe? So if we scroll down to the bottom here, we can see for all cash card holders, savings are FDIC insured through our bank partners. So what exactly does that mean? Let's go back here and we're going to tap on the icon in the top right corner. We're going to scroll down until we see support. I'm going to tap on support. Then I'm going to search FDIC. It's going to give us FDIC insurance. And here we can see if you have a cash card or are a sponsor of any active sponsored account, up to $250,000 of your Cash App account balance is covered by FDIC insurance through our partner bank, Wells Fargo. All active sponsored accounts and their sponsors are also FDIC insured with or without a cash card. So basically if you have like kids and they're connected to your account, they're also FDIC insured. The FDIC insures your balance in the event that Wells Fargo Bank, the bank holding your funds, fails. Bitcoin and investing balances are not covered by FDIC insurance. Investing balances, however, are protected by SIPC. So there you have it. Basically you can keep up to $250,000 in your account and that will be fully insured in case something goes wrong with the partner bank, Wells Fargo. So if Wells Fargo goes out of business, FDIC owes you $250,000 or however much you decide to keep in your account. So if you have more than that, if you have millions of dollars, probably only put $250,000 max into any individual bank, so that way all of it could be insured. But also realistically, if you have $250,000, you should never just have it sitting in a bank or in your Cash App. You should be learning how to invest that, buying other assets, businesses, properties, real estate, something. Do something with it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.